Hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome again, welcome to Zach Discoveries. It's a beautiful time. We are meeting. Thank you so much for checking in. Thank you so much for watching, for liking, for commenting, and without forgetting to share the link. Now, here we are today and I'm at Godfrey's place. You know, it has been quite some time that we have not met in this family, but you have been seeing the man at my place. Mostly not at my place exactly at my homestead, but at my other project that we are doing beyond those trees, right? Yeah, when I talk about beyond those trees, down there we have Mama Joseph's place, the Joseph's project that is ongoing in a very fantastic manner. Why have I started with a video that is showing you land? Remember we talked about this land for Baba Godfrey, and it's plowing season. But in my previous videos I've been talking about it, and I say that he's not that quite late and he's not that quite early, because you see, people like this have not harvested their maize, right? So these are the late comers. We have the early comers, we have the middle comers. When I talk about those comers, I mean those people who plant first, middle planters, and the first comers, and the last comers, last planters. Good. So the other time I was talking to Baba Godfrey, I asked him, why don't you people use a tractor in ploughing? For example, a tractor will do this job all the way from up here to the big Napier grass, that land of a neighbor there, one day, right? Now, but they said a tractor spoils the soil. That is true, by the way. In agriculture, we have something we call the hard pans. Hard pans, when the tractor steps on this soil, it causes a very hard layer on the soil. Another thing that the tractor does, it brings the sand soil from below, brings it on the top. Okay, it usually does well. It usually does well because it when you dig with it the first round, then you come the second round, it returns that one down. But most people do not like it. Okay, there's a belief that it spoils the land, but I don't believe that. But about the hard pans, that is true. But hard pans are broken, especially when we are now plowing, especially when we are weeding, because when you do with the tractor, mostly we also do the last part with the cows, the bulls. We call it the blues, plowing. And so that is the reason Baba Godfrey gave me. Now, this place, from the small Napier grass down there you are seeing, one of my mom sent this money for this guy to do the plowing, because he need to be in the good group of those people that will receive good harvest. So this place was supposed to be done 3 times. Two in the morning. In one of my video, when I was giving Baba Godfrey the money, he said that these guys came with 2 plows. So they promised that they will do the entire piece for one day. I thought, how is that possible? Even if there are 2 plows, how is that possible? So they did from there to this place. Then I think tomorrow now one will come. So this place is for 3 days. And it's a long place. By then the land is so good. So that is what had happened. So we have started the preparation. Another thing, there's some activities that are taking place here. And I want to show you exactly who is in charge of the construction that is taking place. The same mom now decided that we're going to do this chain link from this point all around, right? It was a good idea because the other side we have the water tank, we have the kitchen there, the other side. So for security purpose, very good. Isiga, can you get on hekeji? Eh? Baka iko na barakora ya ke baragisu kumani chinguru. Jehova asukumire ntari bintu. Jehova asukumire. Uliwapea viboko ngapi? Kwa sababu hiyo ni mchezo, huwezi shika. Sasa hiyo najua sasa itakukura pesa nyingine. All right, Omera, how are you, man? You're good. First of all, I'm very sorry for delivering the material late. But this was your mistake plus Wilmot.
Not my mistake.
Yeah. Me was to deliver the material, but I needed that call. Yes, but you got the post, eh?
Yeah.
Yes. So guys, Omera is doing now the fencing. I was talking about the fencing. Now, we are going to do this chain link round. So we had to add the post. Remember the other time I did a video, we talked about the reason for us adding the post. You see, for example, here we shall add a post because you can see this chain link is not that strong, right? So we are going to, that is why you are seeing it. So Omera was removing the top part of the skin or the covering of those posts so that the one that they're inserted, we shall see them as we go toward the other side. So we have this one. So I think there's one of it is going to be here. Then the posts are going to be put around. Marahaba. Kwa salama. Eh. Salimi wazee. Kwa nini? All right. So this is what I mean. Those gaps that are quite big, that the chain link will now be a bit sluggish, we had now to put the post there. So here we have one. And the post, remember, we were to put the posts plus the slab. That is the slab. Now tomorrow what Baba Godfrey will do is to make sure he wake up very in the morning, get the water them fast, cure them fast. Right? So it has been done all round. Right? You can see these are new posts. So as you heard, I was telling Omera that I'm very sorry because the post came very early in the morning. In fact, Murimi brought them very early in the morning. But the cement, in fact, I thought they were not going to come. That is why it delayed. In fact, it is Abdul or Wilmot who came to tell me that, oh, you know, people are working. I was like, oh, are you serious? He said, yes. So I had again to send the cement. But the other materials were already here. The sand or whatever, all those things. Now, the posts have gone round. You can see. All these are new posts. This one. In fact, now this fence is very strong. Very, very, very strong. Very strong. Round. You can see all the way there. Right? We are going to meet them the other side. Now, that is what is happening in this compound. And the 3 chain links that we have, they are going, in fact, one of the colleague, Tromera, that one with the wheelbarrow, hope you can see him, that guy, has said they will come all the way to this point. That means we need like around two chain links. This man will be having a complete chain link compound. What does that mean to him? This man, I'm telling you, he can now rear the chicken as many as he wants. As you can see them there. As many as he wants, I'm telling you. So this man is going to be the talk of the village. Why? Look at again this one. Look at this one. Right? So this one, these are the grafted mangoes. Grafted mangoes. So when this one gets to a certain height, we already have mangoes. Get to a certain height, we have already mangoes. Isn't that blessings? And this man loves fruits. Haya, unangarisha. Hiyo nataka sasa irudi ije ingia hapa alafu tukiweka waya. My friend, itachoma. You can see the post is here, the other one is there, the other one is there. Ni kama watu walichagua miti mpaka ikaisha. Unaona kama hii? Ile style ni nzuri ile, lakini sasa si zile zitaoza haraka. Hizo za bambu. Kini muti ni kubwa. Ni kubwa. So this is Pamela's work. So they came and protected hizo. But the good thing, uzuri wa hapa ni kuwa hatuna mbuzi. Hatuna mbuzi. Mbuzi ingekuwa hapa ndingekupea shida. Eh. Hii ng'ombe ilianza hapa bwana. Na nekeha. Jamaa kaweka jembe bwana kabisa. Pole bwana, pole. Hivi unajua kadi yako ishakuwa? Haujaanza kuitumia hospitali bwana. Uende hata upewe hata dawa ya homa. Hivi ishakuwa, si miezi miwili mitatu imepita. Sasa hii ilishakuwa active bwana. Pesa inaenda bure.
Tulienda mwezi wangapi?
Enda upate dawa. Kama hiyo ni homa ama kifua inasumbua, pewa dawa. Pesa ianze kutolewa kwa kadi. Yeah, so I was telling Baba Godfrey that his health insurance card is ready. In fact, not the card physically, but that insurance itself is active. Yeah, because tuende huko. Siku tunapumzika ikikauka, chomoki uingia pole. Unaingia tu, si lazima uende. Unajua ubaya huku ni huko hakuna hospitali, lakini utakuja Nyabanza ama boda. Uja tu pale. Waambie kuna kadi ni register hapa nione. Yeah, guys, that is it. So we really appreciate. So it will come to a point now this place. Okay, he will have to dig because he'll have to plow this place because we still have some bananas like this one. You see how it's coming well? Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, another avocado. All this was done by Pamela, the Joint Hand Green Life Tree team. Thank you very much, wherever you'll be watching this video from. We really appreciate. We really appreciate. Amero umeanza kung'ara bwana. Miguu na kabla hatujamaliza kazi. Isikaukie. All right, so that is it, guys. So we are very happy for the job that is taking place. So mera simi nitawacha. Alafu tukutane Nyabohansi.
Unaenda maka huko ama umeshatoka huko?
Huko nishatoka.
Inabidi tu uende. Kwa nadhani unaenda huko. Ukirudi huko tukutania, lakini wewe nenda.
Ulikuwa nadhani naenda kuchukua video. Nishamaliza huko. Kwani umebakisha miti mingapi? 7. Hiyo ni mingi. Nitaambia Abdullah ufuate ba.
Ana pikipiki.
So this is Samson. Mara baba. Kwani unaenda shuleni na Yebebo? Yebo na socks tata. Kweli? Hiyo ni ushamba. Na uniform huna? Bado baba hajanunua. You need to buy. So that is Samson coming from school. In fact, it's time now for, I think it's around 5. If not 5, then almost 5. So guys, we really appreciate. Personally from Zach Discovery, we say thank you so much. Baba good. Maneno, wewe sema kitu bwana. Sema kitu bwana, hata kimoja bwana. Naona maneno sasa vile yanafanyika.
Hayo tumeona.
Nashukuru. Lipaswa. Yaani hapa sasa nikikuja hapa baada ya mwaka mtakuwa mmeharibu vitu vingi sana. All right, guys. Okay, guys, you know, sometime now I have no say here. I have no say, so I have to let the father of the... He's confirming. There's someone, I don't know who knocked there. Na huyo mtu aligonga na nini kwanza? Ni jiwe ama ni nini? Hey. God. Hii ni nini? Na unakanyaga chini. Kabisa God. All right. Guys, we really appreciate. So I won't wait for those girls because they're coming from school, but I'll have to end the video. Please, I'll have to. So there's some of the materials that were brought is here. The cements. We worked on 2 cements plus the sand plus the mortar. Not mortar, but the ballast plus the post. We have the nails already. We have the chain link already. So work will be done. By tomorrow, I'm sure, this compound will be another compound. I'll show you. Do not miss that video to see eventually this compound how it looks when it has the chain link canal. Thank you so much, guys. Much love from Zach Discovery. Much respect. Thank you so much. Bye bye.